Hello guys, hello everyone, hello lovely students. How are you? Are you good? Well done. Are you great? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Hope you are doing well. For today we have some new topics. Are you ready? Yes, let's get started. Dear students, now we are going to learn some new words. Okay, let's get started. The first one is bag. The first one is bag. Bag means janta. Bags means janta. I know each of you has a bag. Each of you has a bag. هر یکی و جانتا داره مختلفانه. Okay, you can say I have a bag. I have a bag. واتمن جانتام هي. Okay, let's go to the second one. Folder. Folder. Folder أفعله. زانيكا بكيكي هيو زانيري جرينكا ماني تهلكين. This is called folder. This is called folder. Okay. Now let's go to the third one. Door. Door. This is a wide door. This is a wide door. Now look at your room. How many doors do you see in your room? I can see only one door in this room. I see only one door in this room. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Window. Window. Window means panjara. Window means panjara. Now look at your room again and tell me how many windows do you see? How many windows do you see? I see 2 windows in this room. I see 2 windows in this room. Okay. Now let's go to the last one. Bookcase. Bookcase. Bookcase وقتها كتير خانة ياخد رفي كتير شنو كتير كان ماني تياتاني بمشي وياه. We have a very big bookcase at Margaret's school. We have a very big bookcase at Margaret's school. كتابخانة يكي زور قبل ما هي لكتابخانة Margaret. Okay. Do you have any bookcase at home? أول ما له هيج bookcase down here? You can say I have a bookcase or we have a bookcase. We have a bookcase. What أكتب خانة قبل ما نهاية. Okay dears, now repeat after me. استشهد واجب بالغيرة. Bag. Bag. Excellent. Folder. Folder. Amazing. Door. Door. Excellent. Window. Window. Very good. Bookcase. Bookcase. Very good, dears. Excellent. Dear kids, now I want to tell you something. Okay. Open the book. Close the book. Open the book. Close the book. What's open the book? Open the book is the name of a song. Today we have a song about open the book. Now let's listen to it together. Come on.
14. Listen and sing Open the Book.
What's this? What's this? It's a book. Open the book. Close the book. What's this? What's this? It's a door.
gonna translate this song for you. Listen to me carefully. Open the book. Open the book وتع كتابك بكرة. Open the book. Open the book. كتابك بكرة. What's this? What's this? We've studied what's this in the previous lesson. Okay. What's this means amatia. What's this means amatia. What's this? What's this? Amatia, amatia. It's a book. أو كتابة. أو كتابة. Open the book. كتابك بكرة. Close the book. كتابك داخل. Open the book. Open واتني كرة. Open the book. كتابك بكرة. Close the book. كتابك داخل. Okay. What's this? What's this? Amatia, amatia. It's a door. What's this? What's this? Amatia, amatia. It's a door. أو درجة. Open the door. درجعك بكرة. Close the door. درجعك داخل. Okay. What's this? What's this? Amatia. Look at here. Look at this boy. What's this? What's this? Amatia, amatia. It's a bag. أو شنطة. Open the bag and close the bag. Open the bag and close the bag. وقتا شنطتك بكرة. شنطتك داخل. بمشي وياه. Open the bag. شنطتك بكرة. Close the bag. شنطتك داخل. Now let's go to the last part. What's this? What's this? Amatia, amatia. It's a window. It's a window. أو بنجرة. Open the window. بنجرة كذا. And close the window. بنجرة كذا. Open the window and close the window. بنجرة كذا. بنجرة كذا. Now, I read this song. Okay, you have to repeat after me. Puis c'est je dois nous dire. Open the book. What's this? What's this? It's a book. Open the book. Close the book. What's this? What's this? It's a door. Okay. What's this? What's this? It's a bag. Well done. What's this? What's this? It's a window. It's a window. Okay guys, now you can listen to the song twice, 3 times, 4 times, okay? Guys, first of all, we have to make a quick review, then we will talk about the new letter, okay? Look at here. What letter is this? Is it letter E? No, it isn't. Is it letter C? No, it isn't. This is a letter A. This is a letter A. Capital A, small a. And the sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple. Apple. Okay. What about this one? What letter is this? Is it letter C? No, it isn't. This is letter B. This is letter B. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. And the sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter B is B. Bird. Bird. We have another letter. Look. What about this one? What letter is this? Is it letter B? No, it isn't. This is letter C. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. And the sound of letter C is K. The sound of letter C is K. K, cat. K, cat. For today we have a new letter, look, which is letter D. Which is letter D. This is capital D. Capital D. And this one is small d. This one is small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. And the sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D. D, dog. D, dog. The capital one is really fat. The capital one is so fat. Capital one is and it is also happy. It is also happy. Okay. Now we have some words that start with letter D. Let's take a look. Guys, look at here. D for duck. D for duck. Duck means mravi. Duck means mravi. Look at this duck. Its color is yellow. It's a yellow duck. Okay? It's a yellow duck. Do you love a duck? Okay, I love a duck too. Okay, now repeat after me. Duck. Duck. Excellent. Okay, D for doll. D for doll. Doll means bukashusha. Dolls means bukashusha. Do you have a doll at home? If you have it, you can say, I have a doll. I have a doll. Now repeat after me. Doll. Doll. Excellent. D for dress. D for dress. Dress means azi. Dress means azi. Okay. This question is for the girls. Do you have a dress? Yes, of course. You can say, I have a pink dress, or I have a blue dress, or I have a red dress. Whatever you have, okay? Now repeat after me. Dress. Dress. Excellent, dears. Let's go to another picture. Okay. D for drum. D for drum. Do you want to play drum? Do you want to play drum? Yes, of course. I play drum. I play drum. من تاخذ لدعني تاخذ علي play 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 بوجهني همو أعمل كان بكاهب. وهنا we can say I play xylophone or I play piano and I play drum. I play drum. Okay. Now repeat after me. Drum. Drum. Well done, dears. Let's go to another picture. D for donkey. D for donkey. Donkey means gredresh. Donkey means gredresh. Okay, look at this donkey. This is a gray donkey. This donkey is gray. الدونكيا رانا كيتشونا رصاصية ياخذ ثاني بغي خولا ماشية. Okay. This is a gray donkey. Now repeat after me. Donkey. Donkey. Excellent, dears. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. Dolphin lives inside water. Dolphin lives in water. Dolphin liquidity. لأنه أواجي. Do you like a dolphin? تحس الدولفينة? Yes, I like a dolphin. I like a dolphin. And this dolphin is indigo. Its color is indigo and white. رانا كريتشانا indigo, نيلي, دقل, white, sea. Okay. Now repeat after me. Dolphin, dolphin. Excellent. Let's go to another one. Okay. D is for deer. D is for deer. Deer means acid. Deer means acid. This deer is really cute. Look at her. She's really cute. Okay. I love a deer. I love a deer. من أسكم خوشة. Do you love a deer? Well done. Now repeat after me. Deer. Deer. Well done. Let's go to another picture. D is for dog. D is for dog. Okay. Dog means suck. Dog means suck. Do you hate a dog? Torkel a dog. If you hate it, you can say I hate a dog. I hate a dog. Okay. Now repeat after me. Dog. Dog. Excellent. Let's go to another one. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. Look at this dinosaur. Okay. You wanna eat something. You wanna eat something. Do you like a dinosaur? If you like it, you can say, I like a dinosaur. I like a dinosaur. But dinosaur is scary. There's naka. Dinosaur is scary. Okay. Now repeat after me. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Excellent. Let's go to another picture. D for dance. D for dance. This girl is dancing. This girl is dancing. أنتجوانا سماكة. Okay. Do you like dancing? تحزل السماكة زنا. If you like it, you can say I like dancing. I like dancing. وقتنا حزلنا سماكنا. خذ الكشليتي تواني بلاي. I hate dancing. I hate dancing. Okay. That was all about the words of letter D. Did you get it? Well done, dears. Now we have a really nice song about the letter D. Do you want to watch it? Okay, let's watch it together. Guys, now I want to teach you how to write the letter D. Okay, so look at my hand carefully. We have to draw a line from up to down. We draw a line from up to down. Then we should draw a stomach. Let's try it again. Draw a line from up to down. Then it is stomach. Let's try it again. A line from up to down, then draw a stomach. This is capital D. This is capital D. Okay, let's go to the small one. You have to draw a circle. Draw a circle. Then we should go up, come down, and draw a small tail. Bazne okay? Achina starawa, Dr. Dino Faro, Okay. Let's try it again. We have to draw a circle. Then we go up, we come down, and a tail. Okay, I'm gonna write it again. Look. Draw a circle, go up, then we come down, small tail. This is small d. This is small d. It is also called lowercase. We can say lowercase, okay? Now let me clean the board. Now I'm going to write the letter D in this board. Then you should write it in your English notebooks. Okay, dears? Look. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. You should write a letter D in your English notebooks like that, okay? You have to write the letter D's till the bottom of the page, okay? Write it down. Dear kids, that was all about our today's lesson. If you have any question, you can ask. And don't forget to write the letter D in your English notebooks. And you have to do all the exercises in your workbook, page number 8, 9, and 10. Bye bye, see you.